Yes. Understood what I was saying.
Yes, sir.
We got interrupted for 2 minutes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that's what I was saying. So minus of coefficient of y by that can be also written as center of circle for what? General form. Center of circle for general form. Okay. Clear? This part is clear to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now moving back to the conditions that we are going to use. Okay. So what we can say conditions for R. Okay. So conditions for R. And R is equals to what? Root over G square plus F square minus. Okay. The first one is if R is greater than 0, then it is what kind of circle? This real circle. And R is real and positive. Okay. R is
Yes, sir.
real and sorry, and positive. Okay. R is real and positive. Today we won't be able to solve numericals, but I'm teaching you the concepts, and in the next class we will be solving some of the numericals. Okay. Clear? Understood.
Yes, sir.
So R is real and positive, and circle is real circle. Circle is real circle. I hope you have understood what is real circle. That means you can plot on the 2D plane. Understood? Point number
Yes, sir.
two. If R is greater than 0 means what? That means G square, rather than writing out R greater than 0, I am writing down that equation part. Like G square plus F square minus C greater than 0. Okay. Now in the second
Yes, sir.
point, if G square plus F square minus C is equals to 0. So if it is 0, then radius is 0, right? R is 0. It implies that R
Yes,
is
sir.
0. And if R is 0, then we call it as circle is a point circle. Just now I had discussed that. Circle is a point circle. Understood.
Yes, sir.
Now, if suppose if I am taking G square plus F square minus C. Now this time if it is lesser than 0. So radius is becoming imaginary, yes or no?
Yes,
R
sir.
is the imaginary, right? Okay, R is imaginary. And if R is imaginary, then circle is imaginary circle. Circle would be imaginary circle with real center. Center is real because G or F is real only, no? Real number only, no? That's why.
Yes, sir.
Then circle is
Okay.
real center. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Circle is imaginary circle with real center. This is the third point that we should. Okay. Understood
Yes,
this
sir.
part? Now, next we have the point number 4 I am taking. Suppose uh, if x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Let's see. Has three constants, isn't it? Has
Yes, sir.
three constants. So if I have three equations, I would be able to frame. I would be able to frame this three equation to
Mm,
solve f, g, and c. Yes or no? So has three
yes, sir.
constants. So we need at least three conditions. Okay, to get equation. So to get equation, we need at least three conditions. To get equation, we need at least three conditions. Okay. Three condition means suppose you have been given 3 points, and I am telling you that these 3 points are passing through this particular circle. So from there you would be able to solve f, g, and c because there would be three equations. Understood? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now moving to the unique circle would be passing through three non-collinear points. You can write down a unique circle. This has been taught in class 10 as well, I guess. A unique circle is passing through. A unique circle is passing through three non-collinear points. Okay. I hope you know what is non-collinear points. What is it?
Yes, sir. Points that don't intersect. Sorry, points that don't lie on the same line.
Exactly. Yes. Did not lie on the same. Okay. Point number four. This one was point number four. Now, point number five. Suppose if ax square plus ay square plus 2hx plus 2gx. So okay, over here they have given this dy plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. So this equation needs to be, if I say that it is a circle, so for circle, we have certain condition. What is that? For circle, first of all, a must be equals to b, okay, and h must
Yes,
be
sir.
equals to 0 because there was no terms of h. I hope you remember. There
Okay,
was
sir.
no term of xy, no? Was there any
Yes.
term of xy? There was no term for
Mm,
xy. Okay?
yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So, coefficient of xy is 0. You can also write it down that coefficient of xy, sorry, this part is must be known to you. Next, we have intercepts cut by the curve. Next, we have next topic intercepts cut by the circle on axis. Okay, this is a new top subheading that you can use. So always remember the intercepts intercepts cut by circle. Circle equation is a 2-degree equation. That is x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Okay. On first part, I am saying that it is intercepts cut by x axis. So if it is cut by x axis, then the length of intercept. Length of intercept is 2 times of 2 times of root over g square minus, yeah, 2 times of root over g square minus c. And if I say on y-axis, if I say, then you could have said that 2 times of root over f square minus c. I hope you have understood the length of what do we say, intercepts. Just now you have seen that the circle was cutting, passing through.
Yes, sir.
Yes. This one was intercept, length of intercept only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Here. Please copy this. Copied.
1 second, sir.
Under this only we have some condition. Note point number A. Suppose I have written if circle cuts
Yes.
circle cuts x-axis at 2 distinct points. Okay. Cuts x-axis
Yes.
at 2 distinct. If I say that it is cutting at 2 distinct points, like this one. Over here, as you can see, it has a cut at 2 points, but one of the point is at origin. What if the circle cuts in this way? So there are 2 points. So this is the length of intercept. Okay. X intercept or length of intercept by x axis. It means that. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Circle cuts x axis at 2 distinct points. Then this condition like this must be greater than 0. Because if it is greater than 0, then only it will cut more than. Okay. That means more than 1 point. That means on x-axis the circle will cut at 2 distinct points. When g square minus c, g square minus c is nothing but g square minus c must be real. Okay? But it is
Okay.
understood now? Clear?
Yes, sir.
In the same manner, like if a circle cuts y-axis at 2 distinct points, then f square minus c must be greater than 0. Okay? Now, if circle touches x-axis, if circle touch x-axis, so if I say touch x-axis means what? It means that g square minus c is equals to 0. And if g square minus c is equals to 0, I would be able to say that g square is equals to 0. Okay? Understood? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This is also one of the condition. Over there we have used the condition for what? We have used the condition for h comma k. This point I'm talking about. This point touching x-axis, touching y-axis. We have used what? We have used central form, right? Central form. Over here
Yes,
we are
sir.
discussing about general form. Okay. So if circle touches
Yes, sir.
y-axis. Now if it touch y-axis, f square minus c. So, or you can say that square is equal to c. Clear?
So 1 second. So 1 second. Good. I'll just be right back.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Understood this much.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this part, like any confusion?
No, sir. No, sir. All clear.
Okay. So I'm keeping this much only for today. I have not discussed any questions yet. The topic that I have
Okay.
explained you, I will be giving 3 to 4 questions, not more, not much actually. Few questions I will
Okay,
be
sir.
giving. You need to complete it, but there are many concepts to be taught. Right now, many of the things are left. This is just a, you can say, the introduction of self. Okay,
Yes, sir.
the introduction of self. There are many things that we are going to learn about. Okay,
Yes, sir.
as I am also not feeling that much well, so I'm
Okay,
keeping
sir.
this much only for today. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so try
Yes, sir.
to just go through all the topics that you have been taught, whatever you have written. Okay, because I'm going to
Yes, sir.
discuss it tomorrow or day after tomorrow, whenever the class is possible. Okay, I'm going to ask you. Just give me a moment. Just give me a couple of minutes. Yes. So that's what I was saying. That you need to go through the things that you haven't taught. I would be giving you around 5 to 10 questions based on like finding out the
Okay.
centers, finding out the radius, finding out the length of intercept and all. Okay.
Okay, sir. All right. All right.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So I'm keeping this much.
Yes, sir.
Do your is your parents around?
Not really, sir.
Okay. Okay then. So let's keep this much only for today. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow, when
Okay,
you are
sir.
willing to take class, just let me know. Okay.
Okay,
Today,
sir.
from my
Okay, sir.
very busy schedule, I have like scheduled your class. Okay, I was already having class somewhere. That's why. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, not
Okay,
an
sir.
issue. Till then, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye. Good night.
Good night, sir.
Good night.